At some point, as you start thinking about the years ahead, the question if where you're at is long-term or if it makes sense to make the move. We'll tell you what to know in order to help make that decision on this week's Team Tuesday. Hi, I'm Melissa and this is Reese. While the question of staying where you are or moving is not always urgent, it can often show up in small moments like going up and down the stairs or keeping up with maintenance.
The USC Leonard Davis School of Gerontology found that 90% of adults over 65 prefer to stay in their homes as they get older. But even if staying feels like the right answer, it's still worth thinking ahead about what that could and will look like.
The homes that once worked perfectly may need to change with you throughout the years, and it's easier if you can anticipate those expenses. Sometimes this means small updates like adding grab bars in the shower, or times when it can be a bigger decision like reworking layouts or moving key spaces to the first floor, like your primary bedroom.
Some of these changes are simple, others are a meaningful investment. And that's why thinking about it early matters. Not because you need to decide on anything right now, but because it gives you time.
According to Elder Life Financial, simple updates like adding grab bars and installing better lighting can cost anywhere between $25 to $500. More moderate projects like updating your current tub or shower or adding a stair lift can cost you upwards of $1,000 to $10,000.
Additionally, those major changes like a bedroom or bathroom on the first floor, widening doorways, or installing an elevator can be well over $10,000.
Some homeowners don't want to live in a home when they're going through major renovations. Others are ready to simplify, downsize, or move somewhere closer to family. For them, moving simply means making daily life easier.
There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The goal isn't to pick what works best for you today, but to understand your options early so when the time does come, you feel confident instead of rushed.
Thanks for joining us on Team Tuesday. Have a great day.